I'm gonna do a really big burp.
Not as good as the one the fish is going to tell his friends.